Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you Deepfake Maker, an incredible AI tool that lets you create realistic face swap videos in just a few clicks. Whether it's for fun, creative edits, or professional quality projects, this tool makes it super easy. Simply upload your video, pick the face you want, and let the AI do the magic automatically. Plus, to try it yourself, just search Deepfake Maker on Google and open the official website. I'll reveal a quick trick to earn free credits, daily rewards, and extra points, so make sure you watch till the end. Let's dive in and see what this AI can do. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the main tools organized for easy access. The first one is Video Face Swap. The main feature lets you swap faces directly in your videos with just a few clicks. Next, there's Photo Face Swap for still images and GIF Face Swap for animated clips. Then comes Nano AI, a fun section full of experimental effects and creative filters. You'll also find a bunch of other cool tools like Image to Video, AI Kiss Generator, AI Twerk Generator, and AI Clothes Changer, all designed to help you make unique and entertaining content. Let's dive into the Photo Face Swap feature. This tool is designed specifically for still images, and the results are truly amazing. To get started, upload the main photo where you want to change a face. Next, upload the photo of the person whose face you want to add. Then just click Swap Now, and within seconds, the AI creates a completely new image for you. What's really impressive is how natural it looks. The lighting, skin tones, and expressions all blend perfectly. Once it's ready, you can preview it instantly and download it with a single click. It's fast, accurate, and super fun, perfect for creative edits or just playing around. Now let's check out Multi-Photo Face Swap. This feature lets you swap multiple faces in a single photo at once. Just upload a group photo, and the AI automatically detects all the faces. No manual selection needed. It's a game changer for group edits and creative projects. After that, click Swap Now, and within seconds, the AI replaces all the faces automatically, matching skin tones, lighting, and expressions perfectly. The result looks super realistic, like the faces were actually there in the original photo. Now let's move on to the main feature, Video Face Swap on deepfakemaker.io. When you open it, you'll see two options, Single Video Face Swap and Multi-Video Face Swap. Let's start with the single one first. Here's how it works. First, upload your video. This is the clip where you want to replace the face. Next, upload a clear photo of the person whose face you want to use. Once both files are ready, just click Swap Now, and the AI at Deepfake Maker does all the work automatically. In just a few seconds, your new face swapped video is ready. The results are super impressive. Smooth transitions, natural movements, and realistic blending that looks almost professional. You can preview the final result right on the website, and if you're happy with it, just hit download to save it. That's it. Upload, swap, and download. Quick, easy, and super accurate. Now let's check out the second option, Multi-Video Face Swap. This one's really cool because it allows you to swap multiple faces in the same video at once. When you upload your video, the AI automatically detects all the faces in the clip. No manual work needed. Then simply upload different photos for each person you want to replace. Click Swap Now, and in a few moments, Deepfake Maker's AI will generate your new video. The output looks incredibly realistic, and every face swaps seamlessly, even in fast-moving scenes. You can preview your result, make small adjustments if needed, and download it directly from the site once you're satisfied. So, yeah, that's the Video Face Swap feature. Simple, fast, and surprisingly powerful. All right inside deepfakemaker.io Nano AI. With Nano AI on deepfakemaker.io, you can add fun, creative, and experimental effects to your photos and videos in seconds. It's perfect for trying out unique AI filters and styles. AI Clothes Changer. The AI Clothes Changer feature lets you instantly change outfits in your photos with just one click. It's fast, realistic, and great for creative fashion edits. And that's it for today's video. We just explored some of the coolest tools on deepfakemaker.io, from video and photo, face swaps to Nano Banana AI and the AI Close Changer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which feature you like the most. Also, check out deepfakemaker.io using the special link in the description and pinned comment. You'll get access to all these tools and more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.